Nike is turning up the heat this fall or winter 2025 with a bold reimagining of the Air Max Plus Sunrise, a nod to its 1998 debut. Originally crafted by Sean McDowell, the silhouette introduced a fire yellow to orange gradient that became a defining trait of lifestyle sneakers. While previous versions applied the gradient to the mesh base, this release shifts the effect to the exoskeleton caging, creating a molten, lava-like look from top to bottom. The same fade reappears on the midfoot, offering a dynamic, layered design. After more than 25 years, the tuned Air Classic still commands attention worldwide, with Nike pushing boundaries in its color treatments. This new iteration honors the original while refreshing it for today's audience, merging nostalgia with innovation. Priced at $180, the 2025 release captures the spirit of the OG while reinventing its iconic gradient storytelling. Official look are out now, teasing one of the year's most anticipated drops.